guys, so today I'm going to be doing a first impression / review and just a look with the new ColourPop and SHAYLA kit, her whole collection that she has done. I've been following SHAYLA since I started YouTube, or before I started YouTube, and she really inspires me a lot. I love her looks, just love her. I'm super excited to get into everything. I've already put my foundation and got my eyebrows on for you. I'm going to go ahead and start with just the concealer today. Start concealing with my Tan Sand, my tar, and I've already primed my eyelids and stuff. Shape, and now I'm going to go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to use this as a little bit of a highlight. Okay, so now with my powder contour, I'm going to go into an oldie but goodie. I'm going to be contouring up with the SHAYLA and Tarte palette. I didn't order the PR box, I just went ahead and ordered the regular set. So there are two options. I could have ordered the whole collection in the PR packaging. I think it would have ran me like $70, or I could have just bought the whole collection by itself, and it was $59 for that. So I opted for that because I probably would throw away the boxing anyways. This is her packaging for the eyeshadow. So Perception is the eyeshadow palette. And so this does come with 16 shades. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So this is a different packaging outside of it. It has a splatter paint on it. Super cute. This is the actual palette, which is so pretty. And she does have a mirror in there, which she did promise that we get a mirror. Sometimes you got to get up in there and you need a mirror. And sometimes these products don't come with a mirror and it's inconvenient. So I wanted to swatch a few. I'm going to grab a shimmer, so Unbothered, which is a really wow. And so this is Unbothered. Oh, that's pretty, bro. So I'm gonna grab September, which is a pretty like purpley pinky color. Swatch that. Do what's this other one called? 14, which I think I'm gonna use 14 today. Ooh. Oh yes, I like that one. And then I'm going to swatch a matte. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch Thick. And then Played Out, which is like a dark brown. Oh, wait a minute. Oh yeah, bro, wow. Okay, so these are very pigmented, so no doubt about that. So I love the colors in this palette. I love how she has the transition shades here, which is always my go-tos, like this lighter brown. The Culture color, and then Thick, I always go for like an orange in my crease to use it as a transition. So I'm going to go into my shadow, and of course I'm going to go ahead and start with Culture and just kind of use that to start the transition. Yeah, this is perfect. Now that I got Culture in there, I'm going to go ahead and take Thick, of course. Ooh, honey. Ooh, honey. Oh, and I'm using my Morphe M511 brush, by the way. And this is my like main go-to blending crease brush. So I'm actually taking another brush to darken it up a little bit because that one's more airy. So blending, getting that in there. And so I think I'm going to go into the color Stallion. Stallion is this dark color right here on the side. So it looks like black with blue and purple sparkles. But on my hand, yeah, it looks like a, yeah, it's basically black with just some pretty blue sparkles in it. So actually I'm going to use Played Out as a transition so I don't go in too dark. So I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of the Played Out brown. Like I need to put this on like super light, like a feather. So if I don't, it's gonna be way too much color. I'm gonna do like more of a halo look today. Trying to focus this up in this area. Let me change my brush. I'm gonna use a Morphe, this doesn't have a number, but it's a crease brush to get a little bit more of that played out in the smaller areas. A little bit right here to blend that out. So now to do that, I'm going to take this more, the same brush that's more for a crease, and I'm going to take Stallion and add that gently because I don't want to make it too dramatic and not be able to blend out. So the shimmers aren't actually showing on here, so it goes on just straight black. So that's good. But it's kind of cool to have the shimmers in there. It's really cute. That's cute. So I'm going to, where is my concealer? I'm going to take the ColourPop concealer that I just had. And I'm going to cut out a little bit and do like a halo. So I'm going to grab my concealer brush and just kind of straighten this out. Now I'm going to take Ray's number 8 brush and just try to pack it on my lid, number 14. Hopefully this works. Yes, honey. Oh, girl. First of all, just look at the color. Girl. This blue is so pretty. So I'm actually going to take a little bit, I'm going to take a smaller brush, Ray's 7 brush, and take Stallion and just kind of try to blend out a little bit. This is turning out to be more of like a smoky blue eye, less of a halo, but just because of the colors that I chose. But that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of eyeliner on the top, and I'll be right back. So adding my eyeliner makes me feel a little bit better about the shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Demi G Cocoa lashes. I'm going to let those lashes dry, and when I do that, I'm going to go ahead and dust off the excess powder off of my face. And under my eye. So I'm super excited to get into the like lip and stuff because I'm sure it's gonna be cute. Actually, while I'm here, I do want to go ahead and add a little bit of that Stallion to the bottom of my eye and my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of liner. Okay, so I've added my Demi G lashes on. And then I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of my mascara. So of course I'm going to take my Maybelline SHAYLA Big Shot Colossal. Now I'm going to go into the highlight, which I'm so freaking, what did I buy? So we've got, if I can open this packaging. So the packaging is cute, little purple boxes. So that's what they're in. And then I'm gonna grab, oh, This is so cute. This is the color Pose. It's like a chromey gold color. I did watch Shayla's video and she said to use that as mix it with the bronzer. And then the other color is Boomin', which I think will work better on my skin tone. I'm kind of nervous, to be honest, to put this on my face. Okay, I put a little bit because I'm scared. But honey, this is cute though. So I'm only putting a little bit because I'm kind of nervous. Oh, okay, I put too much, but wow. Look at that. You can see the line. So I'm going to put the Boomin' on because I think the Boomin' will be more. Oh, yes. I know God can see this from heaven. It is hot outside, so the sun's just going to be beaming on my highlight and be walking by blinded people, and that's okay. Hi. Hi. I'm going to walk like this. Hi. Hi. I'm going to put a little bit under my brow bone to see. I don't want to put too much. I feel like this would be so cute. Like, I really want to put this highlight, oops, in a bottle of Fix Plus and just spray it all over my body. And that probably would be like magnificent. So now that we know that the highlights are to die for, I'm going to go into the lips. I know that there's like a peachy color, a nude color, and then a gloss, which I'm excited for. So I'm going to show you, let's see, the color. Ooh! Let's look at Quickie. So Quickie, oh, Quickie's like an actual like a pinker nude color. This one's pretty. I like this one too. Come On Sis is like a darker, it's like a darker pink, which is, I love this color because this is always like my go-to colors. I love me wearing some pink to everywhere. Just like to make my lips just look real good. But I think I'm gonna do the nude. So I think I'm gonna go with I don't know. So ooh, it looks like an orangey on my skin, and Quickie's like a true nude on my skin. So if you see this, oh my, I don't know why I swatched like this, but that's ooh, it's like a oranger, and then Quickie's more like pinky, and then there's Come On. Oh my gosh, why did I swatch like this? Here's Come On Sis, which is darker. I think I'm gonna do the nude and use Quickie. So I went ahead and lined my lip with my MAC cork, and then so now I'm gonna go in with the color Quickie. Oh, this is cute. I really like these lipsticks. Like, they feel really, really, really good. Like, soft going on and then super pigmented going on. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of her gloss though. So she has the Neat Freak gloss. First of all, I did not mention the packaging of this lipstick, which is super, super cute. They have little stars on it. How cute. And it's like a gold, like a rose gold color. And then she has this really pretty packaging with the paint splatter. And then the color is like, ooh, it's pretty. It has some shimmers in it. Ooh, girl, let me see. Oh yeah, this is pretty. It has like some shimmers in it. I don't know if you can see them. Just put it on. If I can put it on the right way, Jesus. Oh yeah, I like this gloss. I think that the gloss helps a lot. I think the gloss helps kind of put the colors together when you use a lip liner with these colors. Because I know Quickie was a little light, so sometimes it might look a little too light. But I think with the liner and you add the gloss on it, it'll make it real cute. The other two I think will be perfectly fine with lip liner and then gloss on top. I'm sure they'll be really, really, really pretty. Yo, I'm still not over this highlight though. Like, This is so cute. But yeah, so this is my final look with the SHAYLA palette. I love the products. This eyeshadow palette is amazing. I love the colors. It's super pigmented and the packaging is so pretty. Those highlights are, girl, if there's anything that you get those highlights. That's what I would do. And I think the highlights go for $7 a piece. I would recommend just buying the whole kit because you'll get the 3 lipsticks, the gloss, and the eyeshadow, and the 2 highlights. And for 60 bucks, I mean, that's pretty cheap. If you go to Sephora and get a highlighter, if you went to Sephora and bought 2 highlights, 3 lipsticks, a gloss, and an eyeshadow palette, you will come out spending over $150, just if you just really think about it. So I really do recommend this collection with SHAYLA. I think that SHAYLA killed it. You did a great job with the products. I'm in love with them, and I really will probably be using this Boom-In like all the time for my highlight. Like, look how good it looks. Like, I'm just in awe. And then this lip combo is cool. So this is, I love doing this. Like, I'm excited to see what other looks that I can get with this eyeshadow palette. I sure will be using this in the near future. So, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And let me know if you have any questions or thoughts below in the comment section. And thanks for watching.